ano pong sagot ninyo dun sa posisyon ng gobyerno na siya po ay isang fugitive? Bakit sinasabi niyong hindi po siya fugitive?
Is Senator Bato de la Rosa a fugitive now?
In my view, the word fugitive is not applicable yet to him because the question of the effect of international warrant is not yet definitely settled.
Sobrang napahiya itong matandang paurong na pinklawan na journalist, mga kadonatics. I really don't understand. Once you're a journalist or in a media, mga kadonatics, you're supposed to be neutral, mga kadonatics. Ha? Pero sa Pilipinas, grabe. Isang tingin mo pa lang sa mga media, mga kadonatics, or sa journalist, makikita mo na agad yung kulay nila. Sobrang obvious. Nawala na yung pagiging investigative journalism nila. Ewan ko, mga kadonatics, doon na lang sila nakikinig kung saan yung bias nila, mga kadonatics. How can you even be a neutral kung ayaw mong makinig sa iba? Eto ang nangyari, mga kadonatics. Sinupalpal itong si Ses Drilon ni Atty. Jimmy Bondoc na maganda yung mga sagot niya dito, mga kadonatics. Nga lang, ayaw makinig nitong matanda. Eto, panoorin natin. But, mga kadonatics, look on my other side, okay? Laksoon. Nako, baka iimbestigahan na itong mga kadonatics.
So ano pong sagot ninyo dun sa posisyon ng gobyerno na siya po ay isang fugitive? Bakit sinasabi niyong hindi po siya fugitive?
Ang tinatakbuhan niya po ay yung International Criminal Court that we do not recognize. Sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso? Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno po. Ang gobyerno kasi po, this is the people of the Philippines.
It has been tried. Even the former Justice Secretary himself, Boying Rem.
You know, ano lang maganda dito sa interview na itong mga kadonatics, aside kay Jimmy Bondoc, ito, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Tingnan nyo naman, mga kadonatics. Sobrang ganda ni ate. Well, anyway, let's go.
Mulya, who's now ombudsman, he himself said, hindi po kaya ng gobyerno. This is why the victims have gone to the ICC for justice. Hindi ho kaya dito.
Inamin ng mga kadonatics na bulok yung justice system sa Pilipinas. Hindi daw kaya i-trial dito. Can you imagine that? What kind of reasoning is that, mga kadonatics? Hindi kaya sa Pilipinas. Ano na lang tayo? Ay abolish Philippine Constitution. Kung hindi pala kaya, mga kadonatics. Tandang paurong nga, mga kadonatics. Naniniwala naman siya sa ganung mga argumento.
Bakit po? Nung isang araw po, meron
Bakit
kaming
po akong
na-receive.
tatanungin?
Nagtatanong ka!
This is their own statement.
Yes, ma'am.
And
We
precisely
received
why there is an ICC.
Yes.
I don't know why you are framing it as a diminution
But we're not part of the ICC.
Philippine sovereignty.
We're
When
not a
this
part of
is,
the ICC,
we're talking
ma'am.
of the international
See, tingnan mo. Ayaw makinig, mga kadonatics, nitong matandang ito.
community here. Hindi ho
Yes, we're
isang-
not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With all due respect, ma'am,
yes,
says, no?
but
And-
the crimes, may I say also,
ma'am.
attorney,
Yes,
that the crimes indicated were before we withdrew from the Rome Statute.
Yes, but there is a very long discussion about continued cooperation, but it is not part of continued cooperation, no, to serve an ICC warrant. Kasi po, kung let's assume arguendo na nasa Rome Statute pa tayo, ma'am, ha? Let's assume, ha? Meron pong proseso sa Article 58 saka sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute kung paano po mag-serve ng warrant. At katulad po ng lahat ng batas, di ba may batas mo, no? Kunyari RA, merong IRR, yung implementing rules. Sa
Opo,
ICC meron
alam
din
ko
po.
po
Ma'am,
yun.
sandali lang.
Sobrang ma-pride talaga. Opo, alam ko po yan.
This is very important, ma'am. Meron
Alam kaya.
pong batas na Rome Statute, meron din pong regulations of the court. And in the regulations of the court, 31 number 3, nakalagay po doon kung paano mag-serve ng ICC warrant, which they did not follow. And the key phrase there is personal service. kailangan po may personal service upon the accused, which they did not do. What did they do? They brandished it on social media and on media without serving us. Humingi po si Senator Cayetano, humingi po kami bilang legal counsel.
Because
out
po
of
your
deference to the
client,
law.
and I'm sorry we're
We were
running
not
out of
served the
time, but I'd
warrant.
just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no? So, until
okay, but if we'll be arguing till tomorrow.
Huwag kang makipag-argue sa isang attorney na, especially isa kang dilawan. Kasi maling-mali talaga mga kadonatics yung mga pinapakinggan mo. Eto, kung hindi ka attorney, tapos nasa side ka ng mga DDS, kagaya natin mga kadonatics, may chance pa na tama yung mga pinagsasabi natin. Kasi yung pinapakinggan natin mga kadonatics, tama naman yung argumento nila. Pag ikaw, hindi ka attorney, tapos yung pinapakinggan mo, sina Jesus Falls, Attorney Falls, mga kadonatics, falses, sina Tinio, or kung sino pang mga attorney ng mga dilawan, pinklawan at loyalista, mga kadonatics, at mga komunista, ay talagang baliktot, mga kadonatics, yung argumento mo. Wala ka talagang panama. Kaya nga ito, ang ginagawa niya na lang, mga kadonatics, is mag-interrupt kasi too deep for her to understand the terminologies.
But just
No,
the
but
same,
that's very important to concede.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
no, serve as the warrant.
Yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed
think
up to vote, to unseat, to vote, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was
Of
the
course,
chief
sir,
architect.
pero
Ito yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank
Senator
you for your
Bato,
time. I'm sorry we don't.
What the heck? Magtatanong ka ng ganun ka controversial, tapos we thank you for your time? What the heck, mga kadonatics? Anong klase yan? Bigyan mo ng time mag-explain. Paano kasi, mga kadonatics, clouded na yung mind nila sa mga kasinungalingan, mga kadonatics. There's no space for good argument para sa kanila, mga kadonatics. Wala na. Naka-prejudge na sila na guilty at guilty si Bato, si Inday Sara, at iba pa. The argument against them, mga kadonatics, is probably in vain. Kasi ayaw nilang makikinig. Never at never mo yan silang makakonvince. Kasi nga, they already decided na dito talaga sila. Itong side na yan.
One final explanation na lang po, kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant. And
Paano
also we
po
await
kung wala na nga?
Explanation daw. Kunti na lang daw. Say, explain yourself. Tapos nag-i-interrupt ka, bungok talaga itong matandang to.
Missing na nga si Senator. Paano isi-serve?
that is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. Now, we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not.
we're
You're
earnest
saying
with
you want the government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
You
away.
to us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin.
Oh,
Pwede
so
naman po.
that is what you want, to serve it to you,
Yes,
and then
yes,
ano pong gagawin
yes.
ninyo pag
Oh,
na-serve
and
na sa inyo?
Then we will follow
You'll produce
accordingly.
him? You will produce your client.
Well, I can't assure that because I'm not Bato, but we will of course definitely serve the warrant on our client. Kasi po ayaw nilang sundan yung sistema. They're
Okay,
not
so
following the law that they're invoking.
this is what you're saying. You are willing for the government to serve the warrant on the legal counsels, and you will do your utmost best to produce your client. Did I
Pag
understand it
dadaan po sa
correctly?
proseso, no? Dadaan po sa proseso, sa PCTC and all that, alam po niyo yun. I'm sure you've heard all of that. Pag dumaan na po sa tamang proseso and competent judicial authority, then pwede na nating pag-usapan ang pag-appear ni Senator Bato.
Explain yourself tapos nag interrupt ka. Paano yan ma-explain mga kadonatics ay talaga itong matandang to? In another interview mga kadonatics, tinawag niya na pugante talaga itong si Bato de la Rosa. Dapat arestuhin at dapat hindi na siya magtatago. Kasi pugante talaga daw siya mga kadonatics. Ito naman ang sagot ng isang batikang former Chief Justice mga kadonatics na itong with the Billionaire News mga kadonatics. Natanong kasi siya kung pugante ba itong si Bato de la Rosa. At itong sabi niya mga kadonatics, napakaganda ng sagot niya.
Is Senator Bato de la Rosa a fugitive now?
A fugitive now.
In my view, the word fugitive is not applicable yet to him because the question of the effect of the warrant, international warrant, is not yet definitely settled.
See, very clear mga kadonatics, the word or the term fugitive is not yet applicable mga kadonatics for Senator Bato de la Rosa kasi hindi pa na-settle ang lahat. Totoo naman talaga mga kadonatics, and as far as Philippine soil is concerned, wala naman talagang warrant of arrest dito sa Pilipinas. So, he has the right mga kadonatics, all his right to go out from the Senate. Walang problema doon mga kadonatics, di ba? Pinapalaki yung issue na nagtatago. Ngayon, bakit yung pinatakas? Hindi tumakas. He has all the right to go out.
And is under question. So until that is resolved, in my view, he's not yet a fugitive.
And if that is
Correct.
your view, then I would assume that there's no point in arresting him just yet, pending the issue before the Supreme Court?
On the basis of the ICC warrant, that has to be resolved first, whether the ICC warrant by itself is sufficient to require Philippine authorities to immediately arrest Senator Bato.
Do you think he should surrender pending the decision of the Supreme Court to local authorities?
It's up to him. He can if he likes to. I doubt whether he will.
Could his escape or him leaving the premises of the Senate, would that be detrimental? Would that affect his case before the Supreme Court?
To me, it does not really matter because the issues in the Supreme Court has to do with the legal effect of the warrant.
So, wala talaga mga kadonatics. Dapat may legal effect pa yung warrant. Wala hindi ba? So, walang problema. Grabe ito yung mga pinklawan mga kadonatics.
His shenanigans in the Senate can be disregarded.
I see.
See, very clear ang sinabi ni Ascuna mga kadonatics na ay talagang si Senator Bato de la Rosa ay hindi pa fugitive as of the moment mga kadonatics. Ewan ko ba bakit pilit nilang sinasabi na fugitive at nagtatago na itong si Bato de la Rosa. Obviously mga kadonatics, kahit sabihin ng gobyerno na wala pang warrant of arrest, well, never at never mo itong paniniwalaan kasi walang silbi ang gobyerno ngayon. Napakasinungaling. Alright, eto mga kadonatics. Noong May 3, 2026, may nilabas na report at eto ang sabi. 4 times lumobo yaman ni Ping, muling nagtrending. Okay. Muling naging usap-usapan ang salin ni Senator Lacson matapos lumobo sa 244.9 million ang kanyang yaman mula 58.7 million noong 2022. 3 years lang 3 years lang yan mga kadonatics. Sobrang laki. While yung kay Inday, 80 million lang mga kadonatics. Pero grabe, kinwestiyon nila. Ayon sa kanya, galing ito sa lehitimong real estate at trading business. Nako naman. Ito ang report ng Billionaire News mga kadonatics. Panoorin nyo. Grabe. Ayan.
4 times naman ang paglobo ng net worth ni Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson. Nasa 58.3 million lang kasi ito noong 2020. Ngayong taon, umakyat ito pa 244.9 million.
Grabe.
Nasa 160,000 pesos lang ang idineklara niyang residential property. Pero ang
Naku.
kanyang cash, jewelry, investments at iba pang mga kagamitan, gaya ng firearms, nasa 256.8 million in total.
Wow!
Lumobo rin ang liabilities ni Lacson pa 11.8 million na nasa 460,000 pesos lang noong 2020. Stockholder siya ng 4 na kumpanya, kabilang ang San Pedro Calungsod Medical Center. 4 times naman ang
Well, nakamaleta ata itong mga kadunating si Ping Lacson, kaya ayaw imbestigahan yung mga nangyayari sa flood control. Nako! Can you imagine that kay Inday Sara Duterte from 2005 to 2025 mga kadunatics, 80 million lang ang nasasalin ni Inday Sara Duterte. Pero kinwestiyon nila ito na tila ba si Inday Sara Duterte ang pinakakurakot na politician sa buong mundo. While kaping Lacson pa lang yan mga kadunatics. Kay Ping Lacson pa lang yan. Ang dami sa Kongreso, sa House of Representatives na bilyon-bilyon yung salin. See? Tapos sinasabi nila hindi to political, mga ugok kayo. Well, comment down below mga kadunatics at babasahin natin yan. Thank you so much and God bless you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Ingat. Bye-bye.